I just got to a point where I couldn't take it anymore. Now, everybody's process is different. If you haven't gotten to that point yet and you haven't gotten it settled in your mind that you're going to do it, then probably not going to do it. But if you're like, I want to do this, I'm going to do this, you will do it. If I could do it, anybody can do it. And that's for real, because I had zero willpower, zero. Okay. But I'll tell you this, once you start feeling better, it reinforces why you don't want to go back to how you were feeling before. Because I'm telling you, when you have energy and you can start working on your goals and things you want to do in life, and you feel clarity in your mind and you feel motivated and you just have a good sense of, your mood is good. And there's this new excitement that comes that you're like, do I really want to trade that for a candy bar? Like, can the excitement that a candy bar or some ice cream, can that excitement from those 5 minutes replace what I really can get out of life if I have my health all the way in order? Those are the questions I had to ask myself. So those are the questions I'm asking you. Like, how serious are you about your health? If you're serious about it, go ahead and start doing something about it. So y'all, I'm so excited about those of you who have decided to join. But in general, whether you join me or not, take a step. Like, I'm serious. When you see how you can feel better and you realize life don't have to be the way it's been, I'm serious. That nothing can replace that. And if I can just motivate you to do it just on your own, that's gonna make my day. That's gonna make my day. That lets me know that all my years of suffering were not in vain.